To customize the home button double press on your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is very simple. Now, by default, whenever you double press on it, like so, it opens up your most recent app. However, if you wanted to set it to do something different, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open up settings, go and look for buttons and gestures and select it, and then look for the section labeled home button and find the double press option and select it. From here, you should then be able to see different tasks that you can set that double press to do. So, for example, you can set it to open up the calculator or the calendar, maybe camera control or compass, or you can choose to enable water lock exercises, go to your accessibility shortcuts. So, you have so many options to choose from. So, go ahead and choose something that works for you. Let's say, for example, water lock. Now, whenever I double press on that specific button, so this one right here, it should successfully enable water lock on my Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll see you in the next video.